Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinbase wallet on your iPhone, first make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap open your App Store. Into the search box, type in Coinbase Wallet and search. Soon after you find the application, tap on the download button to begin the downloading process for the app. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet that puts you in control of your cryptos, keys and data. You can safely store your crypto and rare NFT in the wallet and easily view all of your Ethereum and Polygon NFTs right in your wallet. Once you download the application and after it is ready for use, you can tap on the open button to launch open Coinbase wallet on your iOS device. Now you can also find the application's shortcut in your app drawer. That is how you can easily get Coinbase wallet application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.